if you're looking for a free music notation software, MuseScore is likely on your radar. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive into what makes MuseScore tick and whether it's the right choice for you. MuseScore is a powerful music notation software that allows users to create, play, and print sheet music. It's designed for composers, musicians, and educators, providing a user-friendly interface that feels accessible even for beginners. The software supports a wide range of musical notations, from simple melodies to complex orchestral scores, which is impressive for a free tool. One standout feature is its playback functionality, which lets you hear your compositions in real time using a variety of instrument sounds. The community aspect is also noteworthy. Users can share their scores and access a vast library of sheet music uploaded by others. However, while the software is robust, some users might find the interface a little clunky or overwhelming at first. Additionally, there are occasional limitations in terms of advanced features that you might find in premium software, leaving some experienced users wanting more. Now, let's break down some pros and cons. On the positive side, MuseScore is completely free, and that's a huge advantage for anyone on a budget. The collaborative community and extensive library of scores are fantastic resources for learning and inspiration. However, there are some frustrations, like the learning curve associated with the interface, which can be a bit daunting for new users. Moreover, while it offers a lot, there are features that might feel limited compared to paid alternatives, especially for users looking for advanced engraving options. Trust-wise, MuseScore has a solid reputation, but being open source, some might question the long-term support and updates. This software may not suit professional composers needing high-end features, but it's perfect for students or hobbyists. In conclusion, MuseScore is an excellent choice for anyone looking to explore music notation without spending a dime. It's great for beginners and casual users, but those seeking advanced features might want to consider alternatives. Overall, it's worth trying out, especially if you're just starting your musical journey.